Hello coffee lovers, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Vesuvius espresso machine. You can see it's plumbed into a water source, and the shots definitely last longer based on the profiling on this one. It's about a minute to pull a shot, which is a little bit longer than what I'm used to, but that seems to be what the profile is set for. So let's go pull a shot. You can see we're at about 19 seconds here, 21 seconds as the shot begins. So technically the shot time doesn't start until the espresso hits the cup. So not as long as I originally was thinking, which is good. Now we're at 57 seconds. You can hear the pump changing speed on this one. This is one of the few espresso machines out there that actually has where the pump is a variable speed pump. And there we have it at 79 seconds. Beautiful shot of espresso. Maybe a little long, definitely long, but it just depends on which profile you're using. And I'm not completely used to using this machine. There seems to be a lot to dial in with the grind and getting familiar with each profile. But it's working great. The main issue with this machine, it has electrical problems and leaking of water inside, which created a lot of short circuits and things like that. It was pretty extreme what we had to work with here. You know, water leaking on the inside and rust and electrical problems. They create a lot of unpredictable repairs. It's hard to get everything figured out all at once, but we eventually got it, and the machine's ready to go. And while we're here, let's test the steam. We have a nice strong steam, and let's test the hot water too. Hot water is working great. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee, and please like our video below.